Deck the ute out with the new 219-piece heavy-duty truck box kit from KINCROME. Each box is fitted with 3 full-size drawers and a top section with 2 lift-out trays for storage underneath. Manufactured from heavy-gauge steel with a hammer-tone UV powder coat finish, rubber seals, drawer weather strips and is scratch resistant. This jam-packed kit contains 5 EVA trays, including lock-on sockets and accessories, hex keys, pliers and wrenches, as well as a full range of spanners and Torquemaster screwdrivers and much more. These tools specifically chosen will provide the tradesmen with a wide range of gear at their disposal, whether to cut, tighten, pry or measure, making them an ideal addition for those on-the-move jobs.